Fleming Island homeowners know how challenging Florida's hot, humid summers can be. Air conditioners often run around the clock, which leads to high monthly bills and added strain on your cooling system. While many homeowners focus on their HVAC system, windows and doors are just as important in maintaining indoor comfort and controlling costs. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors can significantly reduce cooling expenses while improving your home's overall comfort and value. Why windows and doors matter in cooling costs. Older windows and doors are often the biggest culprits behind high energy bills. Air leakage, gaps, worn weather stripping, or poorly sealed frames allow hot air in and cool air out. Heat transfer. Single-pane glass and outdated door materials don't effectively block Florida's heat. Constant HVAC strain. Your air conditioner works harder to make up for these inefficiencies, raising energy usage. Energy-efficient replacements are designed with advanced materials and technology to stop these problems at their source. How energy-efficient windows reduce cooling costs. Modern energy-efficient windows are built to minimize heat gain while maximizing comfort. Double or triple pane glass. These layers, filled with insulating gas like argon, act as barriers against outdoor heat. Low-E coatings. These reflective surfaces reduce solar heat without blocking natural light, perfect for sunny Florida days. Tighter seals. Professionally installed energy-efficient windows eliminate the drafts common in older frames. For Fleming Island residents, this means cooler rooms, more stable indoor temperatures, and reduced reliance on air conditioning. The role of energy-efficient doors. Doors are often overlooked, but they play a big part in home efficiency. Insulated cores. Fiberglass and steel doors often include foam insulation to reduce heat transfer. Weather stripping systems. Modern doors seal tightly, blocking hot air and humidity. Impact-resistant glass panels. Many entry and patio doors use the same energy-saving glass technology found in windows. When paired with efficient windows, new doors create a full home system that keeps conditioned air inside where it belongs. Added comfort. Beyond saving, energy-efficient windows and doors don't just lower costs, they also make living in your home more enjoyable. Eliminating hot spots. Rooms near large windows stay cooler and more comfortable. Blocking UV rays. Low-E glass helps protect flooring, furniture, and artwork from fading. Noise reduction. Multi-pane glass and insulated doors help keep outdoor noise from disrupting your indoor peace. For Fleming Island families, these benefits enhance everyday comfort and quality of life. Long-term savings and home value. While energy-efficient windows and doors require an upfront investment, the long-term benefits are clear. Lower monthly bills. Savings add up year after year, especially during long Florida summers. Reduced maintenance. Durable, weather-resistant materials mean fewer repairs or replacements. Higher resale value. Buyers are attracted to homes with energy-efficient features, especially in climates like Fleming Islands. This makes replacement not just a comfort upgrade, but also a smart financial decision. Professional installation makes the difference. Even the most advanced windows and doors won't deliver results without proper installation. Expert sealing and alignment ensure maximum efficiency. Customized fitting prevents gaps and drafts common with poorly installed products. Warranty protection is often only valid with professional installation. Choosing a trusted local installer ensures you get the full energy-saving benefits of your investment. Final thoughts. For Fleming Island homeowners, energy-efficient windows and doors are more than just stylish upgrades. They're essential tools for keeping cooling costs under control. With advanced insulation, reflective coatings, and durable construction, these upgrades create a cooler, quieter, and more comfortable home while lowering monthly energy bills. If your windows or doors are drafty, outdated, or simply not keeping up with Florida's heat, now is the perfect time to upgrade. With professional installation, your Fleming Island home will not only look better but also feel better, season after season.